Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. This is your general love reading for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, and I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the important messages whatever are important for you, my beautiful lovely Aquarius. And thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel, for supporting my channel, for giving beautiful comments to me. I really appreciate that. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to deliver the important messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius. Let's start your reading. What are the messages? Please help me out. Hermit, Queen of Cups. Okay. What are the messages? Fool and the Lovers. Okay. What are the messages? Three of Pentacles. Judgment. What are the messages? Tower. Okay, let me see all the cards first. What are the energies for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Help me out. Three of Swords. What are the messages? Three of Cups, Empress, Three of Wands and the Sun. Too many cards. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages. Again, too many cards. Too many cards. Okay. What are the messages? Sun and the Moon. Wheel of Fortune. Six of Swords and Six of Pentacles, Aquarius. Sun and Moon combination is very good, I can say that, because it comes when you are going to meet your twin flame, your soul mate. Any other message? Okay. You are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. You are moving in a forward direction in search of your Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment. You're leaving a stable, committed offer. Maybe someone is trying to give you some stable, committed offer, but you are walking away. Can you see Ace of Pentacles and Eight of Cups is here? Okay. So you are moving in a forward direction in search of your Nine of Cups. There is Temperance, Ace of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, and the Justice. You're keeping your patience. There is some kind of there is someone around you who is giving you, is trying to give you some kind of passionate new beginning on which you were working so hard. Okay, Aquarius, you were working so hard on this passionate new beginning. You were working on this. You are trying to receive. You're trying to, I can say, you're trying to get some kind of passionate new beginnings. You are keeping your patience with you. You were working so hard to get this Ace of Wands, but after spending some sleepless nights, okay, now you're getting the Justice here. Now you're getting some kind of passionate new beginnings. That's the Justice here. Okay, so the first card for you is the Hermit. Okay, you're doing your soul searching, Aquarius. You are using your intuitions. Queen of Cups is here. The Hermit, Queen of Cups, and the Fool. You're taking some kind of leap of faith in your love life. Okay, and you're getting collaboration with this, but with this kind of energy, I can say that there is Three of Swords and there is Three of Cups here. There is a third party situation going on for you. There are a lot of three in this readings. Okay, some kind of judgment is taking place. The Tower card is happening because there is third party situation. Three of Swords and Three of Cups both are here. Okay, Three of Swords and Three of Cups both are here. There was a third party situation involvement here. Now you are rising as an Empress and you are waiting your ships to come, and you are, can you see, you are receiving it. Again the three, here is a Three of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Three of Cups. I can say there was a third party situation involved in your situation. Okay, so there is Three of Wands and the Sun is here. Okay, you're getting new beginnings in your life. The new beginnings for which you were waiting for so long period of time, and the Sun and Moon both are together. Both are together. That means that you are going to receive, you are going to meet your twin flame. And here I can say that Wheel of Fortune, Six of Swords and Six of Pentacles is here. Okay, so the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. You're coming towards the calmer waters. The Six of Swords is here and you are getting equal amount of give and take, some kind of equal amount of give and take. You're getting some kind in which you are going to receive equal amount of give and take. See, Six of Pentacles, and there was a Justice too. Can you see there is Libra? I can say, I don't know why I say Libra. Okay, Justice belongs to Libra. 0808 was the recording reading time. Some of you can be dealing with Libra. I never mention signs in my videos. Okay, sign can be anyone, anyone. Okay, sign can be anyone. So yeah, some kind of judgment you are making for your life. You're taking a leap of faith into your love life. You are using your emotions, your intuitions. You're doing your soul searching. You're doing your inner work. The Hermit and the Queen of Cups. This is you. Making some kind of judgment for your life. Okay, maybe the karmic judgment, maybe the divine is making some kind of judgment, because Judgment and the Tower is here. Okay, the Judgment and the Tower both are here for you. So the Tower is all about shaking up your life, unexpected changes when the divine intervenes in your situation. That's the judgment from the divine. Okay, the divine is making a judgment for you, that they are making some unexpected changes. But Tower is not at all bad, Aquarius. It is always good. Why it is always good? Because divine, can you see there is a man and woman falling out of this tower? Okay, but it happens so that you can make necessary changes for your life, which is required. Okay, which is required, I can say that. See, again Judgment. Some kind of day before yesterday also I was doing your reading, and the same message was there that some kind of judgment is taking place. So let's see, let's add some oracle. Beautiful. Sun is here. That means that you're getting new beginnings. That is for sure, Aquarius, and you are manifesting it. Magician is here. You are manifesting new beginnings in your life, Aquarius. You are manifesting it. New beginnings in life, new beginning in love life, new beginning in career. You are manifesting new beginnings. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck, and you're getting it because there was third party situation involvement here. You're doing lot of inner work, you are doing your soul searching, you are looking answers from within your soul, that what your soul wants. Okay, any other message? Any other message? Emperor and Empress both are here for you. See, that's why I told you that Sun and Moon is a good combination, is the very lucky combination for you, Aquarius. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Again, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Wheel of Fortune is coming twice for you. So the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and there is a star here again. This is you. The star belongs to you because you, Aquarius, deserve it. Okay, you are getting new beginning in your life. Okay, you're getting new beginning with the Emperor. Okay, this is your divine counterpart. I can say that the life partner, soul mate, the twin flame. You are getting your new happy beginnings. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and you're getting new hopes, new desires in your life. The star is here. Beautiful reading for you today. Let me see any other message. Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Death card. Okay, and Death and Justice is here. Okay, Justice and the Death. So some kind of karmic justice is being served in your case, and the some kind of situation is getting end in your life. And what kind of situation is getting end? The devil energy. There was some kind of devil energy around you which is going to end now. The Tower has come again for you, Aquarius. The Tower has come because the devil was attached to your life. There was someone around you in your life that was not good at all, that was toxic for you, for your life. And because this was attached, the Tower is here. The Tower and the Tower. Something is shaking up your life. Okay, the Tower is here. Your life is going to change, Aquarius. New change, new happy beginnings are here. I can say that. New beginning in life. Happy beginning in life. Yeah. And after this Tower movement, you are going in a forward direction. You need to keep your patience right now. Okay, you need to keep your patience. The Chariot is here. Okay, after this Tower, you will move in a forward direction. You will know that what is right and what is wrong for your life, what is black and what is white. Any other message? Any other message? No. See, again the Moon has come here. Wow. Moon and the Empress. Beautiful, beautiful. You're getting new beginnings in your life with your twin flame Aquarius. New happy beginnings are coming for you. Something is shaking up your life. Okay, the tower is happening for you. Let me see. Let's add some activation oracle. What are the messages? See, that's what I was telling you. The change is coming for you, my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Change is coming for you, and beautiful change is coming for you. That I can say that beautiful change is coming for you. There was sun card here. There was a sun card here too. Two sun was there. Okay, so beautiful changes are coming for you, for your betterment of your life. Whatever is happening for a good reason. And after this change, you will come towards the calmer waters. Can you see? Six of Swords is here. And whatever relationship you will be dealing with, there will be an equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacle is there. Before there was a Three of Swords energy, they put you in a third party situation, they broke your heart, whatever, whoever the person you were dealing with. Okay, so the change is coming towards you. The frequency of change supports our ability to gracefully dance with the forever changing nature of reality, both inward and outward, so that we can appreciate the sweet release of the old and birth of the new. Beautiful message for you. Change. Change is coming for you, Aquarius. Gaia. Any other message? Okay. Gaia. The frequency of Gaia reminds us that we are infinite connected to one another, just as we are to our great mother and to universe that births us all. Beautiful. Beautiful message for you. The change is coming for you. Gaia message is there, that Mother Earth message is there, that universe and we all are connected. We are infinite connected to one another, Aquarius. Okay. Then there is cosmic flower. The frequency of cosmic flowers activates our remembrance of the place we call home, the core from which we pour our magnificence out in the world. Beautiful message, cosmic flower. Then there is crown chakra. Your crown chakra is getting activated. The frequency of crown chakra, the violet flower of life, supports our spiritual connection to the universe and our ability to transmute negative energy into light. That's very beautiful. 1 minute. Okay. The crown chakra is getting open. The crown chakra is getting, I can say that, getting activated. Okay, now you can become more intuitive than before, Aquarius. You are getting more transformed. Okay, because day before yesterday, that was a message of transition, that you are in a transition period. Okay, now the message is crown chakra. Okay, Aquarius, you can now transfer, Aquarius, you can now transfer your negative energy into the light. Okay, the dark phase of your life has been over now. Now you can be enjoy the violet color. Can you see this violet color of cosmic chakra, of the crown chakra? Then there is remembrance. The frequency of remembrance supports our memory of everything that we have gone through us as a soul in a body, providing us with valuable informations and to flow gracefully within in as life. That's true, Aquarius. Remembrance. Some of you may be getting some intuitive down messages through dreams. Maybe you're getting downloads while you sleep because your crown chakra is getting open. Okay, so now you will remember your memories, whatever the memories are there in your consciousness. Okay, then there is soul time. The frequency of soul time asks us to allow the possibility of a new reality, to merge one that embraces the concept that while the corporal body is mortal, the soul is timeless, limitless, and infinite. This is the soul time. Okay, Aquarius, your soul time has come for you. Now you will be more aware about what is your soul. Who are you as a soul, basically? As you know that we are in the age of Aquarius, and now we're getting more intuitive. Okay, Aquarius, now you're getting more intuitive as a soul. Who are you as a soul, not as a body or uh, not as a physical features of yourself, whatever the material world has given you. You will get to know about yourself, about what are you as a soul, because you are doing soul searching and you're taking the energy of hermit. You are doing your inner work, you are doing meditations, you are working on your healing. That's why this change is coming, and that's very beautiful, because beautiful change is coming for you. That I can say. Whatever was happened in the past, it is not going to stay. Okay, this energy is not going to stay in your life, and now the beautiful energy is coming for you, and that energy will take you towards the calmer waters. Okay, you will come towards the calmer waters. That is the message for you, my lovely Aquarius. So this was your general love reading for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition, my dearie, beautiful, lovely, magical beings. So take care of yourself, Aquarius, sending you lots of light and happiness to all my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. See you soon, my Aquarius.